Hi friends, in this video, let us see the power of grep command. This command is used to perform search operation on existing file in Unix. Using this command, we can fetch all the lines having a defined pattern or the search keyword which we have given. Suppose if you are having a million record file and if you want to search for a keyword like 4 or 5, so it displays all the lines in that file having the keyword which is given by you. Suppose, let me show you the syntax, which is so simple. Just give grep space and then search keyword and then give space and file name. This is the simple syntax for grep. And let me show you in practical how this command is useful and how it fetches all the lines in a file having a keyword which is specified by you. As I mentioned in the previous videos, I am using the Mobestem application to practice the Unix commands. I just click on it. So now the window opened of the. Let me open a new session. I list out all the files and directory which I am having under this home directory using ls-i.t. So I have these many files already placed. Let me take one of the file here. This is randomfile.txt. Just I'll clear the window using this clear command and let me show you the content of the random file.txt. So this is the content we have here in randomfile.txt. Let us do the experiment with this grep command on this file data. I'll just use the syntax, the same syntax. I'll just give the keyword grep and then the search keyword. Let me give it as FOUR 4 and then file name random file.txt. See the result here. It is displaying the lines which are having the word which you specified as a search keyword. In the file, we have FOUR, this keyword here in this line, and the next line is here. And we also have it in the last line, but it is capital. So in this way, this syntax helps us to display all the lines having the search keyword. So it is clear that it is displaying the lines which are having the particular keyword given by us. But do we do we have any command to find out the line number as well? Yes, we have. It's very simple. Just for the same command, if you add -n in this pattern, it gives us the lines along with the line number. See, we can see here it is giving the line number as 6 and line number as 8. So simple, is it? So just by adding one small option like grep -n, it will display the line number along with the lines. So it is useful to display line number along with all the lines having the search keyword. And one of the most important point here, if you see, we are giving the search keyword simply, but not we are not placing it in quotes. Let me place it in quotes and see what happens. Grep -n, and I'm placing the search keyword in quotes and see the same result. So it doesn't matter if you give it in quotes or not. And I do it, give the double quotes, and the result is the same. So when you are giving the grep, when you are using the grep command in that syntax, the search keyword can be given directly, simply like that, or it can be placed in a single quote, or it can be placed in a double quote, but the result is the same. So that is the reason here in the syntax. To make it simple, I have given just it is a search keyword and no need to include it in quotes. Let's continue and see how great and how powerful the grep command is. Here, by giving just -n, we are getting the line number along with the lines having that particular keyword. And let me see whether we can get the counts or not. I just give the same command instead of -n, I'll replace it with C, and the result is 2. Superb. It is giving the number of lines and it is giving simply the count of lines. So suppose in a million record file, if you want to search how many number of lines are having that keyword, it simply gives and it quickly gives the count of those number of lines. By using the command grep-c and the search keyword and then file name, we can get the count of lines having that keyword. Let me put it here. So grep-c and the search keyword and the file name is to display count of lines having the search keyword. And in the same way, we are seeing that in the actual file we have the keyword for 4 times, actually 3 times, but it is displaying only 2 times because we are giving it as a case specific. Let me show the file again. Cat random file dot txt. If we observe, we have the keyword for 1 time, 2 time, and third time here. But it is showing only 2 times because it is case specific. To remove that and to make the grep to find out irrespective of the case, just we need to give -I. By this, we can fetch all the lines having the word for irrespective of the case. By default, grep is case sensitive, and if you specify grep-i, it becomes case insensitive. Let me add that information here. Grep-i is to display the lines having the search keyword irrespective of the case. This way, the grep is very much more powerful command to have the search operation on his files as well. We have so many options apart from this. Let's discuss those in the next part. Thanks for watching this.